I was really excited actually when I first met with Michael and Keith from Apex, just because I could tell they had a vision and they wanted to unite physicists and they wanted us to work together.
One of the perceptions of joining a larger group is you sort of lose your autonomy in your own physics group, and that was something that we didn't lose with Apex. We were able to operate the way that we have been and the way that a lot of us like to, and Apex is really helping us sort of take all of our strengths and distribute it across the groups, which I think is really great, while still, maintaining that autonomy that we had going in.
The biggest thing that I've noticed is been different and nice is that you have a community of physicists now, which is within our company that you can always bounce something off of, and they've really kept their hands out of things, whereas we can operate how we want to operate still for the most part, and we haven't had the hindrances that we had with our previous company.
I think that it allows the physicists to be physicists and be in the clinic and focus on that, sort of offloading some of those tasks that don't have to be physics specific. And Apex has a really great team that takes care of HR and things like that for us that physics does not have a real big strength at. So I think that helps us a lot. I hope that in the next few years Apex is able to grow. I think that by partnering with more practice groups, I think that just creates more diversity within our practices and gives us more opportunity for collaboration to know what people are doing coast to coast and not just within our own regions. I know we already are spreading out, and I think that as we continue to grow with the practice groups, I think that can only get better. That can only make Apex better, and that can only make the physics community as a whole better.
Apex has really brought the mindset change from a small company focused on our internal mechanisms to more of a macro goal-oriented company, whereas we're all working together to really affect change in a larger aspect, whereas you can do a small amount in a small space, or you can do a large amount amongst more people. And that's been really what I've been excited about, again, with that collaboration, is the ability to affect change in a larger scale.